Well, the beauty wars are heating up. The new wrinkle remover on the block, Dysport, is trying to win over longtime users of Botox. And the challenge they're offering could be very good for your pocketbook. Toby Grosswald has her new summer clothes ready, and the 47-year-old teacher also wants to update her looks just a little and get rid of a few wrinkles in time for fun with her friends at the beach.
When I look in the mirror, I want to look a little bit better, so it's more just for my own feeling good about myself.
Toby is taking the Dysport challenge. Dysport is a wrinkle zapper, similar to the blockbuster Botox. Now the maker of Dysport is taking aim at the popular rival, offering discounts and rebates.
Dysport, either because it was a new product or because the name's just not as catchy, had a really hard time breaking into the market.
But Botox doesn't work on everyone.
Dysport may work a little bit sooner, and in some patients who are finding that they're resistant to Botox or not getting the longevity with Botox, Dysport may be a good choice for them.
A claim supported by Santa Monica dermatologist Dr. Ava Shamban.
From what patients say, it starts working in 48 hours, as opposed to Botox, which can take up to a week to really kick in. So for people who are procrastinators, it's the great choice. You don't have to wait.
Toby had Botox before and was happy with the results, but now she's switching for a simple reason.
Save money, which is really important. And it's quick, it's easy.
Now, Botox and Dysport cost between $200 to $600 per treatment, depending on the amount. They can last anywhere from several months up to a year.